Pool care is expensive, but a few simple changes can save you hundreds of dollars each month, and these hacks can prevent overspending on chemicals, help increase the lifespan of your filter and pump, and even unnecessary phone calls to the pool pros. I'm Matt from Swim University, and I've got 14 tips on how you can immediately start saving money on pool maintenance. I'm going to cover pool tools that cost $20 or less, things like skimmer socks, tennis balls, and baking soda, and these will save you money on chemicals and keep your water clear. Upgrades that cost a bit more, but pay for themselves in the long run, things like robotic cleaners and solar covers, and DIY maintenance that'll save you from wasting money trying to troubleshoot water issues and avoid paying someone else to do it for you. So let's dive into each of these money-saving tips, starting with pool tools for under 20 bucks. Number one is to use a skimmer sock to help your filter. These fine mesh socks fit around your skimmer basket and capture small debris before it hits your filter system. They're great for stopping pollen, bugs, and hair, and that means less clogs in your filter, less backwashing or cleaning, and less wear and tear on your filter. Now, for about 10 bucks, you can get a pack of 30 skimmer socks, or you can buy a few high-quality reusable ones. But I have to warn you, they're so good at catching debris that it can actually clog up your skimmer and cause your pump to run dry. So when using these, keep an eye on them and keep them clean. Number two, switch from alkalinity increaser to baking soda. Both of these products have the same active ingredient, which is sodium bicarbonate, but baking soda is usually half the price. A 13.5 pound of baking soda costs about 10 bucks at the big box stores, and one bag will last you multiple treatments, saving you about $20 to $30 a month compared to buying pool branded products. In fact, there are other chemicals that you can ditch for household products like soda ash or washing soda instead of using pH increaser. We have a video all about the kind of household products you can use in your pool, and if you want more help on how much you actually need to add to your pool water, we actually have dosing charts in our pool care handbook. Number three is you want to use Teflon tape to save your equipment. A $2 roll of Teflon tape, or plumber's tape, can help prevent expensive water leaks. Apply it to threaded connections on your equipment to create watertight seals. Now, this tiny investment protects your pump and filter from losing suction and keeps your equipment working without needing to replace it. I recommend wrapping the threads about 4 times for a great seal. Number four is add tennis balls to absorb small debris, grime, and body oils. Yes, you can toss a few tennis balls into your skimmer basket and they'll help absorb body oils and sunscreen that would otherwise consume your chlorine. Your sanitizer works more efficiently, saving you money on chemicals and preventing cloudy water. Now, some people have also used filter balls or magic erasers. I haven't tried these, but it seems like they could do the same thing. Just check and replace whatever's in your skimmer basket every few days and make sure the water flow to your pump is good. Number five, use a hose filter attachment. These are pre-filters that attach to your garden hose and remove impurities before they get into your pool. Now, this can be helpful if you have minerals or metals in your source water. It makes balancing your pool easier, and you might not need to buy as many chemicals like stain and scale preventers. Next, let's talk about upgrades. These are definitely over 20 bucks, but they'll pay for themselves in the long run, especially if you want to stop paying other people to clean your pool. Number six is you want to invest in a robotic pool cleaner. Honestly, I wouldn't own a pool without one of these. They automatically move around the pool, removing dirt and contaminants, which frees up your chlorine and helps your filter. You're not cleaning the pool yourself, which saves you time, and you're not hiring out the work, which saves you money in the long run. And if you want to know more about the different type of robotic cleaners, you can check out our other video. Number seven is a solar skimmer. Like a robotic cleaner, a solar skimmer is an investment, but they can be a lifesaver if you have a lot of debris floating in your water, like maybe your pool is surrounded by trees. These will automatically move across the pool surface and pick up leaves, twigs, and anything else floating around. Number eight is you want to use a solar cover. Solar covers, or solar blankets, help prevent evaporation, and evaporation means you lose both water and chemicals. If you have cooler, drier evenings, add a solar cover at night to stop your water from evaporating. Solar covers also help to retain heat, so they'll save you even more money if you're using a pool heater. So you can think of a solar cover like a lid on your coffee. Your heater warms up the water, and it keeps the water warm, saving you on electricity and gas. Number nine is upgrade to a variable speed pump. If it's time to replace your existing single speed pump, I would opt for a variable speed pump because you can continually run your pump at a lower speed and cut your energy consumption by more than half. Plus, the motor bearings actually last longer. Finally, here are some DIY maintenance tips that will save you from overspending on chemicals or hiring a professional. Number 10 is you want to test your water at least once a week. If you keep on top of your chemical levels, you won't end up wasting time and money having to solve big problems with your water. And keeping things like your pH in range helps keep your chlorine actively working in the water. And if you're not sure how to test and balance your own water chemistry, you can of course check out our other video. Number 11 is keep your CYA in range. Cyanuric acid, aka CYA, aka chlorine stabilizer, helps protect your chlorine from breaking down in the sun's UV rays. Now without CYA, half of your chlorine will disappear in just 20 minutes of direct sunlight. So you want to keep your CYA in range between 30 and 50 parts per million so you don't keep losing chlorine. Number 12, learn to open and close your own pool. Yes, this takes a lot of work, but you can save hundreds of dollars each year by not having to hire a pool company to do it for you. You may need to invest in some equipment like a sump pump or a shop vac, but it'll cost you a lot less than hiring out that work. And if you need a step-by-step walkthrough on how to open or close your pool, you can check out our other videos or the opening and closing sections in the Pool Care Handbook. Number 13 is to remove debris and check your filter each week. Debris in the water drops your chlorine levels. The more debris, the more chlorine you're going to need to keep adding to your pool. So every week you want to skim out debris, remove and empty your skimmer and pump basket, and check your filter. If the filter pressure is 10 psi above what it normally runs at, this means it's a good time to backwash or rinse your filter grids. Number 14, learn how to troubleshoot your own equipment. If you're having some equipment problems, you may be able to solve them yourself first. Things like priming your pump or fixing low pressure are easy to troubleshoot without calling in a pro. And we've got tons of videos on fixing issues like this and an entire troubleshooting section in the Pool Care Handbook if you want a handheld reference. So those are just some of the ways that you can save money on pool care. But I want to know what you do. If you have any tips, please let me know in the comments. And if you want more help with ongoing maintenance and easy weekly care, of course, check out our Pool Care Handbook at swimu.com/book or by using any of the links below. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy swimming.